Leaving Best Buy, walking out back ways. Boy, do I have a treat for you today. I'm gonna go get the truck. Come to pick this monster up. You guys trust us, and boy, your trust is not misplaced. We appreciate it. Appreciate the effort. We appreciate the support. You trust us to pick up your 85-inch TV and ship it to Jamaica for you. I think this one is going to Westmoreland actually. Let me go get the truck and let's get cracking. Yeah, you know, see it there? Well, at 85. Man, this thing is so big. It can hardly fit in the back of the truck. But I have a way of making it fit. Stand it up and strap it up and thing. And so stand it up on the side and strap it onto the chase bar at the top with the straps. And it fits perfectly. We have lots of bull ring in this truck to strap this TV down to make it stand up stiff. So, but yeah, this is where it's at. Loving it. Love your confidence in us that we will bring home your $4,000 purchase, drop it at your doorstep, and deliver it incident free and accident free. Loving it.